Alright, so in this one we're going to make a quick desktop organizer. Naturally built the desk, but now there's some storage underneath, but there's nothing to store on top. It's just a big open desk. This is a really quick and easy organizer, and you can do any variation of this one. And it's pretty quick. We also have this metal organizer that she liked, and so we're going to kind of incorporate this metal divider into the organizer. I'm going to try to do it with just using the extra wood from building the desk. Here I'm just going to measure all of the different pieces out on this one piece of 1/2-inch plywood. If you do it this way, instead of measuring one piece, cutting it, and then measuring the next one, you just have to make sure you account for the saw, thickness of the saw, because that will change some of your measurements and it could make it unstable and wobbly. So I'm going to account for that and make each one just a little bit bigger so the saw will cut that excess off just by the width of the saw. Now we're just going to do pocket holes where they're needed, and I'll do them all on the underside so you won't see them. Otherwise you have to cover them up or fill them in or something. But I'll just do them on the underside, and you shouldn't have to see them ever. So to make it easier for myself, because it's all a bunch of rectangles that look very similar, I numbered them and I matched that with the little drawing that I made. You can kind of see the dimensions of each one of the pieces. Try to copy this, but that made it much easier to figure out what piece went where when it came time to assemble and all that. So I'm going to assemble. This is actually the second piece. For some reason didn't record the first one, so this is going to be the assembly of the second one, but it's the same and it's super easy. Here's the first one built, a closer look at it. Everything lined up really well. It's flush and sturdy, and it should be good. We'll see how it fits to the other one. Alright, now here's both of them built and put together, and it's supposed to be kind of a modular, so one of them rests on top of the other one. And so you can either make it an L shape, or you can make it a straight organizer along a whole wall or around the corner of the desk. She wasn't sure, so we made it this way so that she can use it either way. I'm just going to sand everything real quick and get it ready for painting. Alright, now it's painting time. I'm going to paint everything up, and then after it's done painting, we'll do a sealer on it, and then assemble. Just put that metal divider on, and it should be ready to use. All right, it's all done. Here it is in the L configuration, and then also in the straight line. She likes better in the L configuration, so we're gonna put it like that for now. Get all of her books and stuff loaded up on there, and plants or lamp or whatever. It looks pretty good. Super easy project. It ended up taking only about 2 hours when all was said and done, minus the paint drying time.